loving all of Layla's toys today.
Piper has great posture.
Thank
She
you.
really does.
Oh!
Don't
Willa.
have the helmet on. Chewbacca.
Here we go. I'm so obsessed with
Say
the
hi
way
to Daddy.
They say.
Hi, Daddy.
The
Say
way
hi,
you
Dada.
say-
Hi, Dada. Wave to
Like, so
Daddy.
if
Yes.
I'm like, Layla, and then she'll look at me.
Hi, Amelia.
But if you're like,
Ooh, who's that big baby? Who's that big baby? Are you gonna play music? You gonna play music? Yes. Play music. Hi, Isaac. Who's handsome? Who's handsome? Oh, this guy. You shy. Handsome and shy.
Kisses.
Yes.
Yeah, they're all eating your face. Yeah. Yeah, it's so cute.
Piper's obsessed with Abby. Like, even yesterday in class, she just stared at her half the time.
She's just like, who is it?
Who is it obsessed with me?
Layla is just chilling.
Those are your keys, aren't they?
She's like, I have 2 sets.
You have 2 sets of keys?
You want to play?
Super good idea.
Come here. Come here. Crawl to mama.
Jump in the haircut.
Who's crawling?
Watch out.
Whoa! I got it. Are you crawling?
She crawls?
She's trying. Oh my goodness. Crawling? Oh my goodness. Get mommy. Get. Oh my God, she's worming.
Not really.
You're a worm.
Showed off.
We call her Wormy. Come here. Come here, worms. Come here.
Oh. Yeah, get mama. Get mommy. Get her. Where's that mommy? Mommy keeps going away from you. You do it that way. Going the wrong way. She looks like she might start to lose it.
There you go. There
You can do
There
it.
you go.
Yay!
Yay.
Yay! Yay!
I know we're all like, everybody fly.
You do it.
Good job.
Come on, Amelia.
Come on.
You can do it, silly goose.
She's not crying either. Layla would be going.
Oh yeah.
Come on.
Piper
You're
would be
almost here.
grunting.
Almost here.
Oh,
There you go.
You can do it. You can do it.
they're so cute.
You can do it.
Mhm.
What's your mama? Come on. You think it's funny, Isaac? You know the word mama, don't you?
Can you believe?
Where's
we
mama?
made-
Where's your mama, Amelia? Go get your mama. Get your mama. Get your mommy.
But we were like, they had no clue. Like, it's funny. You know that commercial? It's like a Ford commercial. And
Are you
they're coming
swimming?
home with the babies, and it's like for the generation.
Hi,
I don't know.
baby.
But it
Hi,
shows like
mommy's
parents coming
waving.
home with their babies. And I'm like, those people have no idea what they're about to get into. You have no clue.
I'm waving at you.
Yes. They were like,
You silly.
first 2 months were so hard.